Did you know that onion and rice water juice can help your hair grow? Yes, you heard me right. Onion and rice water juice is stuffed with hair growth benefits, from fighting hair loss to growing thicker hair. So, knock all your health portions off the table and make room for an all-natural and inexpensive hair growth remedy. In this video, I'm going to share with you the benefits of onion and rice water juice and how to prepare this inexpensive hair growth remedy. Hello guys, and welcome back to Health and Fitness A to Z. If today is the first time of stopping by this channel, you are highly welcome, and please don't forget to join the family so that you can get notified anytime we post a new video. And to our returning subscribers, we just want to say thank you for always coming by to watch our videos. Without wasting much time, let's get into the preparation of this inexpensive and healthy hair growth remedy. So let's go!
Busy.